We are here to experience authentic Japanese cuisine located at SM Manila. Join us as we explore rich flavors, discover the stories behind every dish, and meet the talented chef who brings tradition and culture to life through food. Get ready to experience taste beyond borders. Let the journey begin. Let's go!
In 1985, when the concept of fast food was rapidly entering the country, Tokyo Tokyo saw the opportunity of bringing Japanese cuisine to the Philippines. The first very Tokyo Tokyo restaurant opened on April 22, 1985, located at the Quad Car Park now known as Glorieta. Tokyo Tokyo built an incredibly dedicated following with its combination of quality, value, and abundance. As of 2018, Tokyo Tokyo is owned by Hansberg Incorporation under the One Food Group, which also knows the Philippine franchise for KFC and Mr. Donut. Today, Tokyo Tokyo has grown to be an established name in Filipino dining, making its mark as a pioneer and number one Japanese restaurant in the country.
May sibuyas. Narinig boses ang isa't isa doon.
Game na ba? Bago sarap. Bago sarap. Di pala manghang, akalang manghang. Tama lang. Okay na? Tapos na ba ako? Pwede na kumain naman. Work to? Ba't silo? Ang sarap. Yan ang lagayan. Very lang pinas. Ayun, eto. Tignan mo to. Ito may isa.
At saka,
Commercial. Ito. Tingnan mo ito.
ito.
Ayan, tingnan mo.
Sarap kaya ito onion ring.
Ano lasa?
Sarap.
Ikaw po. Ikaw na.
Tadakimasu. Chata mate.
Ang bagal.
Ano na? Try naman ito. Parang siyang madry. Parang dry.
Lasa ako ni sibuyas. Lasa ako ni sibuyas.
Parang itlog. Ay, hindi ba ito sa'yo?
May ano pa eh, may basa, may ilaw pa siya. Malasado lang siya. Or chicken. Crispy. Pero di ko trip yung lasa. Again?
Since high school po kasi ako naging interested po ako sa pagluluto. Kaya nung nag-college po ako, doon ko po kinuha yung course na HRM. Kaso nga lang is pricey po siya yung course na yon. Kaya po kinapos po, kaya nag-focus na po ako sa pagtatrabaho. Thank you po. Yung iba po dito na question po is hindi ko siya nasagutan kasi about po sa mga spices. Yung tinitimplahan na, katulad sa mga kusi. Yung sa amin po kasi, dinideliver siya na ready to cook o pre-cook na po siya. Kaya po, hindi po kami yung nagtitimpla and hindi po kami yung naglalagay ng mga spices. Kasi yung dinadala na po sa amin is marinate na.
Okay.
Yun.
Okay, so what was the most surprising thing I tasted today? So, lagi kasing chicken katsu curry yung in-order ko dito sa Tokyo Tokyo. Pero today naisipan kong magbago ng order and yun nga, I tried their pork katsu doon. So, surprisingly naman, patok agad siya sa panlasa ko. Yung parang isang subo mo pa lang, hahanap-hanapin mo na agad. Pagdating naman sa aroma, masasabi ko na amoy warm fried pork siya na may slight sweet na siya from the soy-based sauce mix with onion and egg. Yung egg naman siya, ang texture niya is very creamy siya and soft. Habang yung breaded pork niya is nag-adds ng satisfying deep fried richness. Hindi ko na ina-expect na ganito ko siya magugustuhan, lalo na yung pork katsu nila. Syempre, and definitely adding this to my usual orders.
What did you learn? What did I learn about Japanese culture from this experience? From my experience dining at Tokyo Tokyo, I learned that Japanese culture values more than just the food on the plate. It also shows the hospitality of the service, the respect for tradition, in how dishes are prepared, and the emphasis on the family connection during meals. The menu reflects Japanese history and the way of life, and even the choice of ingredients seems to carry cultural significance.
How does this cuisine connect to our Asian cuisine lessons? So this cuisine connects to our Asian cuisine lessons because we studied how Asian countries use local ingredients, spices, rice, noodles, and different cooking techniques to express culture through food. Seeing these concepts in an actual restaurant helped me understand the lessons more clearly.
As a future HM professional, what is your key takeaway? As a future hospitality management professional, my key takeaway is the importance of delivering not only good food but also excellent customer service and a welcoming atmosphere. A great dining experience comes from both quality cuisine and hospitality.
So, what would you recommend from this restaurant and why? I would recommend their signature dish, which is yung tempura meal, because it perfectly represents the restaurant's identity and the flavors of the cuisine. The representation niya and yung lasa, yung quality ng ingredients, and naging memorable siya and enjoyable naman siya.